Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to enable clipboard history and paste multiple items in Windows 11. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply do this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Windows system setting. Once you're in your settings, you need to go to your system and tap open your clipboard. And once you have tapped open your clipboard, you need to toggle the clipboard history to on. Now to view and paste multiple items, press Windows key plus V. This will open the clipboard history panel, where you can select any recently copied item to paste it. So once you have found the clipboard, you need to simply select any of the item you want to paste, and once you have selected it, you can simply have it featured in your paper or any of the assignments. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.